Hey everybody, this isn't technically an unboxing video, being that I've already had this for 2 weeks, but I was on the road when I acquired it, and so I haven't had actual time to sit down and talk about it and let people know what I got. I was at Uke Republic near Atlanta, just northwest of Atlanta in Austell. Every time I go there, I always I'm going to buy something. And I think I told a whole bunch of people before before I even went. I was like, I'm buying something. I don't know what I'm going to buy, but I'm buying something. So if you're ever in the Atlanta area, especially in the northwest area of Atlanta, definitely stop by. Their stock changes all the time. Not only do they have the local people who come in and buy stuff, but they mail stuff out all the time. So every time I go, whether I'm performing and teaching and all that, or if I'm just driving through town, I try to stop by and see what they have. This particular time I was teaching and performing on Saturday, but I got there a day early because I knew that I wanted to spend some quality time there trying out whatever they currently had in stock before everybody else got there on Saturday to go through things. And luckily I did, because I don't know how many ukes they sold on Saturday, but they sold a bunch. And so luckily I got to go through everything earlier. Plus they got a shipment while I was there on that Friday. I did the Friday show with Mike, and they got a shipment in there, and so got to try some stuff or see some things that weren't even in the computer yet. So anyways, had a great time. So what did I buy? I ended up trying out a whole bunch of baritones. Now this particular one is an all solid flame maple cutaway, and that's one of the things I like. You know, everybody has the thing they like. I love the cutaway because I do play up the neck, so it gives me a little extra space, a little bit extra room, and it also has built-in EQ, Fishman. So those are two things that I like. I know some people like to have different kind of pickups and stuff put in, and some people just like to play with the microphone. This is what I like, and I do like the slotted head too, so that's kind of cool. And also, I'm a Kala ukulele ambassador, so this worked out perfect that I got another Kala. So it came with a gig bag also. It's an all solid flame maple cutaway baritone. And for those of you who don't know what a baritone means, it is tuned like the 4 highest strings on a guitar. It's not tuned like a soprano or a tenor or a concert ukulele. It's tuned differently. It's tuned D, G, B, E, right? So it's tuned just a little differently. Has a lower sound. Here's a regular this is regular tenor. I mean, regular concert would sound the same, or soprano, but that's the difference. So it is tuned differently, and it doesn't have a high D. It's a low D. So that gives it a really lower, fuller sound. And I like playing maybe minor key songs on here, sad songs, slower songs. It rings out a lot longer and stuff like that. It's not as sharp as sounding as a soprano or a tenor or whatever tuning. But I enjoy playing it. So one of the other cool things about this, I don't know if the video will do it justice or not, but this is Purple Heart binding also. All right. So pretty cool. So I got this at the Uke Republic. I tried this and a whole bunch of other ones, and this is the one I chose. And I'm really enjoying it. I really don't play baritone very often, but I brought this home and I just started wandering around the house with it and playing it a whole bunch, and maybe I tried some new songs on it, songs that I don't normally play baritone on, and yeah, so it definitely fits. It'll mix up my set list a little bit more. But anyway, so I really enjoy it, really love it. I'm gonna make a little video just so you guys can hear what it sounds like. But the main thing is, whenever you get a chance to go to Uke Republic, check it out. And maybe Uke Republic isn't a visit isn't anywhere in your future, but you can always check them out online. And like I said, their stock changes all the time because they get orders all the time. Now, why would you want to get something at Uke Republic? First of all, usually I tell people don't buy things online, right? You want to try it out and be able to feel it and see what you like. But if you sort of already know what you like and you could buy from a trusted place online, Uke Republic is one of those places. They do a setup, and what that means is they set it up, make it easier for everyone to play. Usually they lower the action. The action is putting the strings down a little bit, lowering the bridge a little bit, making the strings. Sometimes it's filing down the frets a little bit to make it less sharp. Just depends on what ukulele it is. And then there's also something, if you know you're going to buy something, you could also let them know, like, hey, I really like this, you know, and they will set it up the way you want it. And it's included in the price of the instrument, and they will ship it directly to you, and totally trust them. Totally trust them. Yeah, so all right, well, listen to the video of the thing, and then go to Uke Republic website, or start planning a trip to Uke Republic.